Hello, my name is Sierra and I live out of a van, and I totally forgot to film an intro for this video, so here we are. This is how to make vegan sushi for your first time. It is absolutely foolproof. We made it for the first time in this video and it turned out amazing. So this is how we did it. We first started out with a cup and a half of short grain white rice, and a cup and a half was perfect for 3 rolls. And then obviously you have to wash your rice because it makes a huge difference in the way that it cooks. If you usually don't wash your rice, I really recommend trying it out next time and seeing the difference that it makes after it's done cooking. A tip when rolling your sushi is to wet your nori just a little bit with the tips of your finger, and it makes it a little bit easier to roll. But this is not mandatory because the last 2 sushi rolls that we made, we didn't do this step and they turned out amazing. So you don't even have to do this part. And then another tip when working with the rice is it is very sticky, hence the name sticky rice. So wet your fingers a little bit when kind of mushing it down. That way you don't get the rice stuck all over your hands. Even though it's still very messy, it's a little bit less messy when you wet your fingers. Then I'm going to be taking some vegan cream cheese. This is just the Tofutti vegan cream cheese, and I'm going to smear that all over the first layer of the sushi. This was just the cheapest cream cheese that we could find at Sprouts, and it was actually really good. It was our first time trying it, and it went really well with the sushi roll. And a staple in sushi, especially vegan sushi, is avocado. So I slap a couple of thick slices on this beautiful roll. And I just want to give a moment of silence to people like my sister and Juan's brother who are allergic to avocados. I'm so sorry. The next thing that I throw on there are a couple of peeled cucumbers. I just peeled these with a vegetable peeler, and they're pretty thin, so I kind of took quite a few pieces, and then I also stacked some carrots on top of that. This is the most intimidating part of making sushi, I think. It is rolling it and putting it all together, praying that everything doesn't fall out and it doesn't come apart. But with time and patience and just breathing exercises, you can get through it and you can come out with a beautifully cylindrical sushi. And as you can tell, she has a little extra skin on her sides, but honey, that never hurts anybody. We're just gonna roll her over and just really tuck her in to that bamboo wrap. And boom, look at our beautiful baby. I am no sushi expert, as you can tell by that unprofessional rolling process, and honestly the whole entire thing was very unprofessional. But look at her. She came out a star. She's looking amazing, better than ever. I will say though, we did not have a sharp enough knife to cut her with, so the sushi did tear a little bit more than we wanted to, but hey, she still came together. We could still eat her with chopsticks and dip her in some soy sauce. It was absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend. Please let me know if you guys tried it out, and thank you so much for watching. I just realized how weird it was for me to refer to sushi as she when talking about cutting and eating it, so I apologize about that. It's just who I am. I'm really sorry. Please subscribe.